What is up, YouTube fam? It is your girl TK, and how you doing? I hope you guys are having a really good day, and if not, I hope your day gets brighter. Period. Well, look, today I have decided that I wanted to get online and do an unboxing dueling. Now, before I get into doing that unboxing, I really wanted to do a shout out. Now, if you aren't aware, I'm gonna let you know, homegirl just got done celebrating Women's History Month. Because of course, like I've already said, we some bad mama jammers. If I should say so myself. Of course, I'm gonna say so. And it's some people that was really, coming through. They came through. They were showing your girl some love. They were leaving comments. And if I didn't get everybody, my bad. I want to start off by saying that I am just going to put down the people that I've noticed have been commenting. And I just want to show you guys that I've noticed you. I enjoy it. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. And those people that I am going to start off with is Her Destiny, Bayesian Treasure, Just Me, Nicole, and Forever Mimi. I thought I had to pull out my little trusty phone, but I got y'all names down. I sure do. Now what? Nah, but yeah, thank you guys. Thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Again, women in history have been through so much, down to looking for jobs and being able to vote and just having women's rights. You know what I'm saying? We have worked for that. So we have to at times celebrate it, period. Now, anyhow, I want to start off by doing my unboxing. Now, I want you to know, guys, okay? These unboxing that I will be doing today came from Camille Rose. Now, I did get a head start already, and I opened the box. And I just want you guys to know that it's a Target box, okay? I'm going to show you the box or whatever. Look at it. Don't act like y'all don't know. I love me some Target. It's coming through, and I'm living for it. So, the first item that I got from Target is the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. So, if it don't fall out my hand, I can show y'all. This is the shampoo. It says that it's an aromatic hair cleanser with crushed sweet ginger and invigorating lemon peel, crafted to cleanse strands without stripping moisture. Okay. Let's smell it. It's got a nice little lemony smell. I don't know about y'all, but I don't know if you guys can see the cap on this. I mean, it's really a safe cap, so you don't have to worry about it, you know what I'm saying, getting all over the place. It's one of those nice, not really messy caps, and I love that. Again, it has a nice little sweet smell. The next thing that I'm going to pull out of my little Target box, okay, is the Camille Rose Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. I know you see it. And let's just smell her. We got to smell her. We got to see what she's smelling like. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that. It did have a little safety lid on it. Nice, soft smell. Okay. I like it. I mean, it's not aggravating my allergies, okay? So, I can deal with it. And again, this is the Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard. So, this is the conditioner, just to let you guys know. And it says it's a culinary cocktail infused with sweet Moroccan pear and 2 cherry kernel oils, crafted to nurture dry strands and promote accelerated hair growth with potent B vitamins. I'm here for it. I'm definitely here for it because, of course, what do we want to do? We want some nice, long, healthy hair. That's what I'm trying to do, honey. I'm trying to grow these strands, like, come through. Yes, ma'am. I received that growth message. All right, so I'm going back in the box. And the next thing I pulled out of the box is the Almond J Twisting Butter. And this is the sweet almond, milk, and honey. Bam, you see it. And of course, it says this comes from the Signature Collection. We're going to open it. As you can see, it got that safety seal on it. I'm going to take it off just a little bit. Oh, it has a nice little fragrance. I think I'm going to like this. I can't wait to try this twisting butter. It has a nice little fragrance to it. So, boom. Yes. We're going to pull out the Camille Rose Honey Hydrated Leave-In Collection. Now, even though this is a collection, there's a step 1, 2, and 3. Now, Target didn't have that, honey, okay? Now, it's Target if you're proper, but, you know, I like to say Target. You get it how you fit in, okay? But they didn't have step 2 and 3. I would have to go to like a Sally's Beauty or order it online. And I said, you know what? I just need one leave-in, okay? I don't need to get the whole set, okay? One should do me well. It should, you know, provide me the justice that I needed to provide me or whatever. And, you know, maybe later on, once I try it and I like it, or, you know what I'm saying, I'll go back and get everything else. But for now, we're going to try this one because I've been hearing, you know, some good and some, you know, some bad. You know, I've been hearing people's comments, suggestions, and everything else about this product. And I just wanted to try it, period, point blank. Okay, so I did. I got the item and I'm going to try it. So this is what it looks like. Oh, we got to do a little tester. And of course, with the tester, it has a little safety seal on it. It has a nice fragrance. I can't wait to try this. I mean, it smells good. No, I'm not even lying to you guys. Like this, it smells good. I think I'm gonna be a happy customer. I'm over here like putting my hands together. I think I'm gonna be a happy customer. Okay, I can't wait to really get and play with this. Yeah. I think I'll be a happy customer, period. Yes, ma'am. So I'm going to put this down real quick. These little safety seals that I got. So, yeah, my box is empty. I mean, I ain't wanting no more. That's it. I guess that is. It's done. I mean, that's the things that I ordered from Target was the Camille Rose items. And I really hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing. Again, I just want to thank everybody, even the ones that I did not get to. I just want to say thank you guys for, you know, helping me celebrate Women's History Month. Again, we are some strong Bama Jammers, and women definitely deserve to be celebrated. So, you know what I'm saying? Kudos to you guys, and kudos to the month of, March? Yeah, I'm glad that we had the month of March so we can be able to celebrate a woman in history. Okay? I'm just saying. Okay? And, yeah. So, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, don't be afraid to use that comment box below. For some reason, I always like to say the description box, but it's really the comment box. So, if you ever heard me say the description box, oh, my bad. I didn't mean that. I meant the comment box. Yeah, so leave a message in the comment box below so I can make sure that I, you know, get back to you guys, you know what I'm saying? And also, if you wanted to ever reach me outside of YouTube, know that you can, okay? You can reach me on Instagram. So it's TK_Knowles. That's TK_KNOWLES. And it's 01. So add me on Instagram so I know it's real. Again, peace, love, and happiness. I hope you guys are staying safe because guess what? I have not been on YouTube for like a week. So I don't know what y'all been up to. But I know one thing about me. I've been trying to stay safe. I've been trying to stay, you know, Rona free. Although, you know, I had that cough. But you know what? I'm okay right now. So, yeah, I need you guys to stay Rona free. Stay safe. Stay blessed.